In Hydesville on Wednesday, Humboldt County company Aqua Dam Incorporated loaded one of the world's largest water-filled coffer dams to ship it across the country. At 26 feet tall, 53 feet wide, and 800 feet long, this massive structure is headed to Florida for an emergency project at a wastewater treatment facility where it will be used to block water while repairs are made to a levee. The two large cranes operated by North Coast Fabricators in Kernan Construction were used to lift the 141,000-pound object onto a special heavy load truck owned and operated by Jake Owens and his company JOT Heavy Haul Incorporated. The dam will head over Highway 299 to I-5 and then down to I-80 where it will cross the country to Florida. This is the second record-setting Aqua Dam built by the local company this year, putting Humboldt on the map of cool creations. From here, the Aqua Dam begins the journey across the country, showing just how far local work can reach. This dam is not just big, it's massive.